Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I just paid this for $5 at like random thrift store. Oh my goodness. What on earth would you think I would break a $5 Microsoft wireless combat keyboard? I mean, yeah, it's wireless. It's powered with the receiver. And I don't think I would smash it in front. Oh my goodness, why am I doing like this? And yes, I'm already caught up. No, fine. Oh. Okay, come on, come on. Here's another way how to skip the dialogue by spamming this. Whoa, what the heck? Oh my goodness. I pressed F11 on there. Let's continue on. I'm not gonna show it. So here we go. And yes, this is how you skip it. How about the mouse? Let's do it like with mouse and keyboard at the same time. Oh my goodness. Let's do this.